As the Balikatan exercises between the Philippines and the United States unfolded, the BRP Miguel Malvar was set to make its final stand as a target ship. But nature had other plans, battling rough sea conditions, and the vessel met its unexpected end before the planned exercise could even commence. PTV's Patrick De Jesus takes us through this story.
This was taken Monday morning as the former BRP Miguel Malvar was being towed from Sangli Point, Cavite. It was supposed to serve as the target for the Balikatan Maritime Strike exercise to be conducted 40 nautical miles off the coast of Zambales. But before the exercise could even begin, the ship sank past 7 a.m. due to rough sea conditions. According to the Philippine Navy, none of their personnel were injured.
She met all the criteria for her to be selected as a designated target. However, due to rough sea conditions that we are currently experiencing in the exercise box and with its long service life as is expected, she took on a significant amount of water and eventually sank.
Environmental cleanup was also conducted on the ship before the planned exercise, removing residual oil and other contaminants that could harm the marine environment. Despite this, the simulated live-fire maritime strike between Philippine and American troops continued.
The training will integrate ground, maritime, and air-based sensors and shooters in a combined joint fires network, as the Philippines and U.S. Joint Task Forces exercise command and control while exercising combined warfighting capabilities.
The ship, which served since World War II, was over 8 years old before its decommissioning in 2021. Last year, a Chinese-made ship, the BRP Lake Caliraya, was the target of Balikatan's maritime strike. Other Balikatan exercises proceeded as scheduled, including a counter-landing live-fire exercise in Apari, Cagayan over the weekend, aimed at preventing an amphibious assault from the sea. Assets used included howitzers, light tanks, and javelin missiles. US F-16 and F-18 fighter jets flew in, alongside Apache attack helicopters to provide close air support. In Balabac, Palawan, the 3rd Marine Brigade led an amphibious landing exercise, simulating the retaking of a strategic island. Participating forces included the U.S. Armed Forces and Australian Defence Force, with the Japan Ground Self-Defense Force and UK Royal Marines as observers. Balikatan 2025 will conclude on Friday. From PTV Manila, Patrick De Jesus, Balitang Pambansa.